Sweetie, doesn't it feel nice to have the kids sleep at a decent hour at 12 a.m.?
It does. It's already 12?
Yeah. But anyways, I think you better hurry up and get one of these.
What is it?
It's a chicken salad.
A chicken salad?
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't look like a chicken salad.
81st and Deli. Yeah. Superior.
Wait, what? I didn't even ask that.
Mom.
No. I mean, hey!
Something's
little
wrong with
angel.
Janessa.
What?
Something's wrong with Janessa.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What's wrong? Did she flush her head down the toilet again?
No.
Does she got a diaper on backwards?
No.
What are you doing?
No.
Okay. Anyway, what's the matter, Queen? You know she had a little fever, a high fever today, and
She didn't swallow the thermometer, did she?
No.
Okay, good.
what happened? What's going on?
She bit me in her sleep.
Really? Wow.
Yeah.
She's still teething, huh?
She's acting weird. She's now growling at me.
She was growling at you?
Yeah, she's growling at me now.
Paw Patrol. She's watching Paw Patrol and Sweetie.
Oh, yeah, she does like that show right before
It's
bed.
weird.
Okay, fine. We'll check it out.
Yay.
Excuse me. Yeah, wait. My little angel. My little precious angels. Yes. Hi, my little... Oh, my goodness. Ah! What in the...
She doesn't look too good, sweetie. She kind of looks like a zombie.
Oh, my God, my little angel. Are you all right?
It bit me.
It's not an it.
She's
That's
not-
your baby sister.
Yeah.
Oh, my gosh, my little angel. Are you okay? Ah! My little angel? Sweetie, when is the last time you checked her temperature?
I thought you'd been checking it.
No, I haven't. Oh my gosh. Hey, my little angel, it's Mommy. You remember me? Yeah? My little angel? Ah! Oh my gosh.
Sweetie, I don't think that's normal.
I think we should find that medicine, sweetie.
Which one?
The one for her fever, okay? Obviously,
okay. Oh,
she's
yeah.
not herself.
She looks just like herself.
Queen, watch out. She'll punch you. Don't do it. Queen, walk away. Okay.
You're mad. You can't beat me.
Okay, I'll be back. You little angels behave, okay? Queen, watch your little sister, alright?
Okay, I'll watch it.
Her. Okay. Anyways, sweetie, what happened to the medicine?
I think it's in the cabinet.
Okay,
I think I
alright.
put it by the cookies.
Okay, that fever,
Ah.
it must be like pretty high or something. Oof. Are you gonna get the medicine, or are you just
okay.
gonna stand here?
I was thinking about what snack I wanted.
Ah!
Oh my gosh.
What was that?
Oh no, I think it's Queen. My little angel, you okay?
No!
Whoa! Oh, what happened?
She body slammed me off the bed.
Dang! Sweetie, no more watching wrestling with Cuckoo Bird, obviously.
Well, it could have been a Ninja Turtles.
Wow, she has super strength. That's crazy. Oh,
Yeah, you got that right.
my little angel, you're not supposed to be doing that to your sister, okay? You're gonna get in big trouble. Now, I want you to go to bed, and we'll give you your medicine, alright? Okay?
Good move, though. That was a cool move.
What
Just
the-
kidding.
Why is she...
Is she a zombie?
I don't know. Why is she walking like that, though? She looks really weird.
She's sick, sweetie. People walk like that when they're sick sometimes. I walk like that.
No,
You
they
walk like that when
don't.
you're sick?
No. But they would be cool if I did.
Where is she going?
I don't know. Hopefully she
hit a
doesn't
door.
jump.
She hit a door. Oh
Jump.
my gosh, my little angel. My little angel. Well, who's gonna check on her?
Not
Not
me.
me.
Not me. Okay, fine. I'll go check. God, jeez. You guys are coming with me.
Wait, what?
Mm-hmm.
But we said not me.
Come on, come with me.
Yeah, it doesn't matter, Mom.
We're all in this together, okay?
Not.
Alright, sweetie, you go first since you lost.
Obviously. My little angel, you in there? Where's Queen? Oh my gosh. My little angel? Oh my. Whew. That smells.
She's taking a duty dude.
Ooh. Whoa, did you hear that?
It sounds like a bomb.
Oh my. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Sweetie, we gotta find that medicine as soon as possible.
Yeah, and back away from the door. It stinks.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Sweetie, go get it, please. I think it's by the bed.
By the bed?
Yes, please. Hurry up.
Okay, the bed. Okay.
My little angel, Mommy's gonna come in, okay? Knock, knock.
I could smell it.
Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. Okay, don't forget to wipe your bottom. Okay? Whoo! Queen, watch out. She is really dropping bombs in
I
there.
will.
Sweetie, what are you doing? You're supposed to... Oh, you did? Okay. Alright. Let me see it.
Here you go.
Okay, so...
Sorry, I jumped on your read.
Alright, so this says... Okay, look at these side effects here. Oh my gosh, sweetie. These side effects is terrible.
All side effects of medicine are terrible. What does it say? How bad is it?
You read it. I don't want to read it.
Okay. Let me see. Skin may peel.
What?
Probably biting sisters.
Uh-huh.
Let me
Okay,
see.
she's doing
Moaning. Running into walls. Brain dead. Possible brain dead symptoms. See a doctor if so.
Oh my gosh. Does it say... Oh my gosh, is diarrhea in there?
Yeah, it's the last one. Vomiting and diarrhea.
Oh no. Sweetie, this is not good. She got all the bad side effects of the medicine.
Dang, I'd rather have the sickness than the side effects.
My poor little angel.
No.
Get off my head. My poor little angel. Oh, let's go rescue her out the bathroom. She's probably pooping her brains out right now. My little angel. Ah! She moved. Sweetie, how is she doing this?
I don't know. I think it's has something to do with those side effects.
Did I teach her this?
Oh my gosh, we should really put her in gymnastics. And I didn't know she could do this.
Maybe the nursing home.
My little angel, why is she making those weird noises?
She's doing the moaning like the side effect.
My little Close that door. Close that door.
Close it.
Well. It's been real, guys. But I'm out. I'll see you guys later.
Can I go to my friend's house?
Nope. I'm out. I'm
No, you
leaving.
can't
I
leave.
am packing. Why not? You see how she is?
She's our baby.
And okay, all right, okay. We'll stick together. We'll figure something out. All right. All right. We're gonna look for some different medicine. Maybe we could get like some Tylenol or something. Not the one from the hospital, because obviously that was bad reaction. Quick, everybody, look around. Hurry up! Hurry up! Hurry up!
Okay, I'll hide myself in here.
Okay. In the meantime, I'll just get one of these. Okay.
All right, just letting you know if she bites me, I'm coming for you first.
New Andrex Classic Clean Mega. Soft, strong, and now 50% long.
It's a chicken salad.
We could put her in
Sweetie.
the stove.
No, Queen, we can't put her in the stove. That's not a good idea, okay? That is not gonna help with anything.
What about the fridge?
No. Oh,
The
look,
microwave?
look. I got an idea. Oh, Angel, come downstairs to mommy. Come downstairs to mommy. Oh, look, there she is. Everybody act normal.
I'm just gonna stand behind you.
She's drowsy, so she can't really walk that good, okay, guys? Don't make fun of her. Don't make... You want some ice cream, my little angel? Yeah? Okay. You get some...
Um...
You know what? I think she's trying to tell us something. Queen, communicate.